If you frequently crack your neck like this, stop immediately. A lot of people think it's harmless and even relaxing, but the truth is more dangerous than you realize. I'll tell you why it's dangerous, but if you've got a real neck, tap the like button, click subscribe, then share. And when you tap the copy link, this amazing thing doesn't happen. When you crack your neck, the joints move rapidly, bursting gas bubbles in the joint fluid. But if you do it too hard or too often, it can damage tissue and even injure blood vessels in your neck, which in rare cases can actually lead to a stroke.